going to be made up of multiple sections because it keeps pausing every time I take the phone off the stand. And remember, the glass will be in place as well. But look at how well the body is staying in place now. So that's good. Yeah, I'm quite pleased. Looks just like it should. Now that is just loosely set in place, you see? But you see how with the chassis in place and the dashboard, you can't even see any of the white of the surface of the thing. So now it's time to take it off. Its chassis, since it isn't screwed in place. I am fortunate. It comes off quite easily. Watch this. There you go. Perfect. And this is aligned exactly as it should be, though I'm not going to glue it into place. I'm just going to set it over there. All right, good. And it has to go back like that. Not forward, back, apparently. All right. So let's see what the guide shows. Okay, so you've done that much of step 3. You've done everything in step 2, including the wheels. And as far as step 1 is concerned, you've done quite a bit on it. The only thing you haven't done yet, really, is the roof rack painting. But remember, the whole roof rack is going to be white, except those black areas. See on the side, the black there? So that is going to be an outline, and the air tanks will be in the way. So I have to be very careful when I do that, but that's why I'm going to do it by hand, the black. Or with black Sharpie. See, with the AMT polar lights, you have to assemble the entire thing in pieces to get it to work. This one, you just do it that way. And you see, you already test fit the roof rack, so you see the 8 sections there, so it should all fit nicely. The 4 lights are in place. You've got the light bars, see here? But what I'm planning to do is paint them with the light blue on the top, I think. I was thinking of trying to do it underside, but then it would interfere with these pegs. And you know the fit is pretty tight as it is, so you don't want to have the pegs interfere. Now, they both say 29. So let me put the Krylon Chrome on there so you can actually see the part number. Sometimes I wonder if the silver Sharpie makes the part number show up better than the Krylon Chrome. But there, 29. So I'm actually going to spray it on the top side, which is better because then it won't just pool in there. It'll get down the sides. And I mean, if you're going to spray it on the top anyway with the light blue. Oh, but you want to be able to see through it. Maybe. If you look at the box, you can't really see through it. So that's okay as it is. Okay, all right. And I have an ever-shrinking supply of parts that are left. Oh, better seal the liquid cement. I got the thick liquid cement working again with the brush. It finally loosened up its bristles. It took long enough. All right, where am I going to put these? I think I will put them here with this one. Well, I mean, you know which part this is, number 38, so I am... Give me 1 second here. There's the screws. You need a bigger bag. That's what I need. Ah, there you go. Found it. All right, here we go. There. And there. There you go. And then you can add this one to this one. I suppose there is one more thing I could assemble, now that I'm thinking about it, and that would be the two Siren halves. I suppose I could assemble them. There's no problem there. And the Siren halves are 25 and 26. Now, it is chrome, of course, so there might be some trouble, but let's just see if we can get that done at least. 25 and 26, so 25 and 26. Okay, so there they are. All right. And a red spotlight. Again, you keep very thin, so you only cut it at the right angle right there, and you keep that thin peg because it has to go in the top of the thing right here. All right, so let's try the Siren assembly. Oh, I just realized something. I accidentally took the Siren's stand off. The peg that was supposed to fit into the right front. I accidentally took it off its spotlight. I hope that I can find one of them and put it